Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get nighttime in Assetto Corsa. First, you'll need to ensure you have Content Manager and the custom shaders patch installed. These two tools are fundamental for unlocking advanced visual features, including dynamic weather and time of day. We'll walk through the necessary steps to configure your game for an immersive night driving experience, making sure everything is set up correctly for you to enjoy the darker tracks. To begin, open Content Manager and navigate to the About section. Here, you'll find an option to install or update the custom shaders patch. It's crucial to use a recent version for the best performance and features. Once installed, ensure it's active in your settings. This patch is the backbone for many visual enhancements, including the ability to simulate different times of day, so don't skip this vital step. Now let's set up the actual night conditions. In Content Manager, head to the Drive tab. Under the Weather section, choose a weather script that explicitly supports night, such as Sol or Pure. Then, locate the time slider and drag it to a nighttime hour, like 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. You can also adjust the time multiplier to control how quickly time progresses during your race. Finally, once you're in the game, make sure your car's headlights are turned on. You might also want to fine-tune your in-game video settings, specifically exposure and gamma, to achieve the perfect balance of visibility and atmosphere for night driving. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for you. Now you're all set to enjoy the unique challenge and beauty of racing under the stars in Assetto Corsa.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.